Here we are, Kihei Shores A-208. You're in the very front of the building, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice tile floor here. They did a great job with the upgrade of the cabinets. Tile shower. You can enclose this if you want. A nice storage here. Kitchen's been nicely updated. Nice backsplash there. Here's the front bedroom. Nice bamboo floor. Big closet and water heaters over there. Nice view out to Plumeria. So Kihei Shores has a barbecue pit about halfway up there, and then a very nice pool at the top. Great amenities for a residential condo. So you can rent this out 6 months or more, but a lot are owner occupied. And actually, to tell you, my mom lives in this complex. She loves it. Nice glass. Split ACs in here. That's a nice added benefit. And then there's very few in here that have this kind of ocean view. There's Hale Kamaole right there. But then there's another split. And this nice lanai here, and then the ocean view right there. So you would get some sunset colors every day, and then a few weeks of sunset into the ocean. So Kihei Shores A-208, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Aloha.